Thought I'd shoot a quick video and explain why I haven't put any new content up on the Mustang, mainly because my daughter's been keeping me busy with this. So first she put it in a pole, so we did some quick fixing up here, but luckily she was okay and the car wasn't too badly hurt. Just really just kind of dented out in the center and then replaced that. But what I'm working on right now is her transmission. So stopped shifting and went out. This is an NC Miata 2008. And so basically it acted like it was always in high gear, like fifth, and we couldn't get it into neutral. So we took a look, and the shift fork, which is this guy here, snapped in half. So went to Miata dealer and they had it. It's actually this part number right here, 17406. And all it is, you take this top piece, that piece sits on top of there, off of the transmission, flip it over, take these 6 bolts out on there, and then drive this pin out with a roll pin tool and swap it out. And so it's pretty straightforward. Now I'm just getting ready to put it back together. And you put some RTV around the outside here and slap that onto the top of the transmission. Alright, just got a thin bead of RTV on there. I'm going to put it back on the tranny. Alright, got it on there. A little bit of a pain to just set on there. You got to make sure those shift forks line up. There's a couple of grooves in the gear sets there that those shift forks kind of just set into. And then the other problem I ran into was those kind of lined up, and then the shifter must have either moved or whatever when maybe the transmission was moved around or something. So I put the shifter in there and wiggled that around till this back part dropped. So now with that bolted back on, see, I got those bolts around the outside, and I dropped the shifter into there first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Everything feels good. I didn't bolt this in yet. Obviously it's going to be easier to put in the car with that out of the way. And then I'll bolt it all together and throw it back into the Miata.